Hi, I'm Lisa from Perth Sewing Centre. Today I'm going to show you what's in the box on the new Kaffe Edition Bernina 770. It's such a beautiful machine and the box is ever so special. Let's open up the top, and once we get all the cardboard pieces out of the way, we'll just fold this one back and the lid, we'll pop that out of the way. We simply lift out the top piece of foam, and underneath there we have the slide-on table. Now this increases the area of our sewing surface, and we've got a little box of threads there as well. That comes in the Australian box, a little sample pack of the Metler threads which Bernina recommend. So we'll take out that wide table and pop it to the side. Here's our freehand system, otherwise known as the knee lift. We also have our accessory box. We'll show you a little bit more about that later on. We have our power cord. We have another little box of accessories. Once again, we'll open this and show you what's inside shortly. And here's our BSR foot. We'll show you that one as well. Just bring them over to the table here, pop them down so you can see what's in the box. Inside this one we have an assortment. We've got feet, we've got oil, we've got a tube of bobbins. Once again, this is the Australian version, so different countries may vary. That's our sewing oil there. And that's our needle plate, so you can use that for straight stitch or cut work. This is our stylist, otherwise known as the touchscreen pen. And then we have 3 feet in this packet as well. So there's the arrangement of bits and pieces that came in that little box there at the top of our box. Here we have the BSR foot, otherwise the Bernina stitch regulator. This is amazing for free motion work. Okay, going back to our box, in the top under the next layer we have the instruction manual. In there's accessory catalogues and things. Take off the next bit and we get to the fun bit, our machine. So it's a little tricky to get the foam out, but we just pull these bits here and take the top out, and here's our machine. And the cover is extra special. It's got the Kaffe fabric printed on there, so if we have a look here, we've got the cover, very special. And the machine, let's carefully unwrap our new machine. So we'll take off the plastic to get to our handle. See how the handle just pulls up there and out she comes. Now we'll take it over to the table before we take off the cover. So here it is at the table. Now just take off all the blue bits of tape you'll find around the machine, and let's go back to the box, because hidden in the box at the side is our foot control. So just at the side, remove the foam and you'll see the foot control there. And also in the bottom of the box is the buttonhole foot. Now that's generally floating around, so don't lose that one. Now, as I said, we'll get back to the accessory box. So here it is. So once we unpack the accessory box, you'll find there is another box of feet and bits and pieces in here. I will show you what's in there shortly. But let's have a little look at how this accessory box stands up. At the back you'll see 2 feet. Flip those 2 legs out, turn it around, and open up the doors. Now inside the little drawer, or big drawer, you'll pull out some bobbin and feet holders. So you can get these as extras, but you do get a few with it. So you just pop that in, and you can spread these out and spread them out far enough to fit the feet. Now back to this box. What's in the box? We have, I think in this box we've got some spool discs, we've got bobbins, we've got cleaning brushes, unpickers, screwdrivers and needles. So that's where you'll find those bits and pieces. This is how we pop our feet into the feet holders. Angle the foot so that it tilts forward and it will go in. Here's a quick brief rundown of how your feet should look once they're all sorted in your accessory box. So you can see we need to spread those guides apart so you'll fit 2 rows of feet in there. Here's a few quick overview of the accessories that come with your machine. You'll find all accessories listed in your instruction manual. So refer to your instruction book for more information. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to phone us or email us at the Perth Sewing Centre in Western Australia, Malaga, Western Australia, and we're happy to help you out. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.